Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Instacart affiliate link tools for grocery promotions, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Instacart affiliate link tools for grocery promotions, start by opening a web browser on your device. Navigate to the official Instacart affiliate program website. If you do not have an account, locate the sign up or join button and click on it. Fill in the required information to create your affiliate account. After completing the registration process, log into your Instacart affiliate account. Once logged in, look for the Tools or Resources section on the dashboard. In this section, you will find various promotional materials and tools available for download. Search for the affiliate link tools specifically designed for grocery promotions. Click on the link or button that indicates the download option. A prompt will appear, asking for your confirmation to download the file. Confirm the download to begin the process. The file will be saved to your device, usually in the Downloads folder. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder to locate the file. Double-click on the file to open it and review the resources provided. You can now start using these tools for your grocery promotions. Familiarize yourself with the materials to maximize their effectiveness. Ensure to follow Instacart's guidelines for using affiliate links. You are now ready to promote Instacart and earn commissions through your affiliate links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.